my name is Helen Orejobi. I'm a licensed financial professional and I'm here to talk to you about... Why do you need financial literacy education? This is what they don't teach in school. I'm giving it free education for you to secure the bag and help the next generation coming after us. You see, when I'm talking about educating ourselves, we need to kind of like come in with a clean slate. Come in with a clean slate. Trust me. You need this. Come to me with a clean slate. Don't come with the professor attitude. Oh, I know it all. I've seen it all. Trust me. You don't want to come with that attitude. Trust me. You want to come with a clean slate. You want to come with the attitude of a learner. You want to come and learn new things. It doesn't cost you nothing. Pick one or two things from what I would tell you and run with it and change the story of your family and their last name from poor to wealthy. You want to be on this side. You don't want to be on the poor side where you're struggling, where all the bad things happen. You have to struggle 9 to 5 to make ends meet, to pay bills, to go to school. Now your kids are out of high school. Now they have to go work at McDonald's. They have to go do work in an African store or do stuff, you know. You want them to be business owners. You want them to make money. You want them to own empires. You want to be able to transfer wealth. When I talk about wealth, it's so easy. You want to tap in now and get it, right? Don't be that want your children to go